Hello, I'm Mayor Frank Scarpitti, and I hope you're enjoying the first signs of spring. And with spring, our spring maintenance program springs into action. I'm proud to say that the City of Markham's roads are still among the best in all of Ontario. Our city received several awards last year, recognizing us for our pavement and roads maintenance programs. They include the IDC Government Insights Smart Cities North America Award, John Neerdra Better Practices Award from the Ontario Good Roads Association, and a Silver Bicycle Friendly Communities Award from the Share the Road Cycling Coalition. Our success with road rehabilitation is because of our financial investment. Our actions are fact-based with geotechnical data, and the whole process is robust. We first undertake a laser condition survey of our entire road network and then conduct post-construction surveys with area residents. Markham embraces technology to better serve our residents. Our roads operation division uses Rover by Visual Defense. This artificial intelligence software and hardware solution efficiently detects potholes. A phone camera simply mounted on the windshield identifies potholes in real time, which allows our repair crews to respond more effectively. I'm very happy to announce that this year we're expanding the use of that technology to detect additional road deficiencies, and we've increased the number of units providing greater coverage right across the whole city. Being proactive with our preventative maintenance programs saw great results last year. We significantly reduced the number of potholes needing repair. The City of Markham continues to look for ways to decrease costs using innovative and sustainable solutions to both preserve and extend the life of our roads. Our Markham crews are also moving forward with the Neighborhood Tree Maintenance Program. Now in its third year, I'm pleased to say we're ahead of schedule. I also want to applaud our crews for working diligently throughout the winter, taking steps to reduce the LDD moth population, and we'll continue to actively monitor our progress. With the warmer season, I encourage everyone to enjoy the outdoors. Our playgrounds, basketball courts, and skate parks are all open. We also have several public tennis courts across the city and 6 temporary pickleball courts at the Markham Civic Center. Our athletic fields are tentatively scheduled to open on the second Saturday in May, subject to the weather and conditions of the fields. Thanks to our team, all our parks, trails, ponds, and open spaces are being cleaned up and prepared for you to enjoy. A special thank you to our whole team, to CAO Andy Taylor, Commissioner of Community Services Morgan Jones, and the Director of Operations Alice Lamb, along with the entire team at Operations for your ongoing commitment to excellence. As Mayor, I'd like to thank all of you for doing your part to helping us keep Markham beautiful. Wishing you all a happy spring and a wonderful summer.